Hey guys, Brian here, and today we're going to be playing yet another level of Driver. So anyways, this video almost didn't get uploaded because of a lot of technical difficulties, but they've been fixed, so enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later.
You know what, dog? You know what, guys? I'm gonna be honest, dude. I really don't want to fucking play this game anymore. I'm kidding. I do like this game. It's just that, oh man, I think I'm gonna go to work later on today. But you know, we're here. It's another year. We're all still here. And if you guys are returning subscribers, you guys are still here. So let's go get a new job and play some Driver. Get it over with.
You have 2 new messages.
Okay.
We got us some plans to do a payroll job. Simple getaway, 20%. You have yourself some thinking time. See if you want in with us.
A simple getaway, and I get 20%. And it sounds like a boy who knows the song Dixie. You know, because it sounds like he would know the song Dixieland and its lyrics. Because he sounds like a southerner. Anyways, yeah, sure, let's take that job, and let's see what we're doing. So Driver, yeah, I mean, my disc still works. I'm still using the original disc. I'm still on my PlayStation, and let's begin. Oh fuck. So, what has changed in history? So, what has been happening lately? I think like a few weeks ago, some rich billionaire launched himself to the moon. That was something. We're still wearing masks. Masks are still a thing, I guess. Yeah, so it turns out that COVID thing didn't really like die out. And what else is new? What else is new in the news? I think the Chinese alligator gar was confirmed to be extinct, but I'm not too sure on that one. But, I mean, that's world news. Stuff that's happened stuff of note. I mean, I don't know what else. Tokyo Olympics, they added skateboard, I think. I'm not sure. I want to go see a football game, first time in a while. I really hope this cop can, like, hurry up. He crossed the red. Nice. And I wasted my time there with the cop. Anyways, so as for me, so I might be playing Driver. You know, this one is actually pretty easy. I don't know how I failed this one. This is that cop's fault. I'm literally... Okay, we're not gonna do this. We're just gonna try again. The name of this mission scares me. It really does. Anyways, so like I was saying, I mean, I got a car in real life, finally. And a real-life driver's license, so I can drive for reals now. I own a 2010, nice. I own a 2010 Ford Police Interceptor. Ironic, considering that in this game, my worst enemy is the police. It's a Police Interceptor 2010, so that makes it essentially a modified Town Vic. It's pretty cool. I mean, it drives, it gets me around, gets me to work, from work, time to... Nice. And you know, I wouldn't be out, or no, I would be lying. I mean, if I said that Driver didn't teach me nothing about driving. Don't say that nothing is nothing and everything is everything, I guess. But sometimes I feel like I feel like the first time I did this mission was the golden opportunity to have a flawless run for once. But yeah, like I was saying, I mean, I have picked up some driving skills from Driver and applied them to real life, most specifically the burnout. Just kidding, I don't burn out in real life. It actually happened once. That's its own story. Some dude ran up to my car and I had to pull that car in reverse and like it made a loud screech. And yeah, that's that. another thing that's interesting, well, for me, maybe not for people who are just looking for a driver Let's Play, but I mean, it's my senior year of school, so I mean, that's cool, right? Where the hell is this parking garage? I lost it, didn't I? I passed it. Nice. I can only hope that that like the camera's recording well, that the audio quality isn't too screwed up. Because I mean, I was watching last year's video, and last year's video was yeah, the audio mixing was pretty terrible. It was pretty shit. I mean, because I turned up all the volume on the TV because I didn't think you guys would be able to hear it. I mean, I couldn't hear it. So hopefully now the game isn't too quiet and I'm not too loud. Because last time you couldn't hear anything without, you could barely make out what I was saying. And yeah. Drive. You know, for my first car, even though I got a Crown Vic, right? I was really banking on getting a Buick 72 Skylark, which I don't think it's this car, but it's like one of the cars that you use in Driver. So subject is headed east. Nice. Didn't see me. What do you call a dinosaur with no eye? And I don't think he saw us. You know, because the policeman didn't see me. Alright, this is gonna be a two-parter, ain't it? Ah, nice, huh? How, you know, how, of course, it's a setup, you know, how, I didn't see that coming at all, because, you know, it's like, I mean, what, gee, how did I not see this coming? It's a mission called the setup. It's fucking stupid, dude. Like, get the fuck out of there. Boss, get out of there. It's him again. Run. My parole officer isn't gonna like this one. Let's see. Oh yeah, there was a bunch of riots earlier this year, I think. Was that this year? Yeah, that was pretty funny. Oh, man. Oh, they lost me. No. Sorry. sorry, I missed the exit. You know, this is chill. Maybe it's the rainy atmosphere. I prefer it over for fuck's sake. You know, this is a no checkpoint mission, so I'm probably gonna... Let's hope I don't have to do it again, but realistically speaking, I'm gonna have to do it again. There's no cops. If RNG loves me, which it doesn't. Ah, I spoke too soon. Nice. I think it's not a bad life lesson to learn when to shut the fuck up, when to speak too soon, well, because you gotta know. I already lost. Because you gotta know that just because you finished your activity or whatever, it doesn't mean you're out of the woods yet. You gotta know when you're finally actually out of the woods, and even then, sometimes rabid animals like to get out of the woods. It's not too much damage, if I do say so myself. So the cops will just go berserk on me if I have even a little bit of damage, because he's gonna assume I've been crashing in their cars, and he wouldn't be wrong, but it's not really a crime. Is it a crime eating a meal? Succulent Chinese meal? Ah, yes, I see you know your judo well. So, you know, in theory, if it only takes me like a minute and change to get to a safe house, to get to the parking lot, it should only take me a minute and change to get back to the safe house, right? Nice. I lost already. You know, if it's a setup, why do I gotta be on time? Unless they really like fucking with me, right? There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a setup! Get out of there, boss! Bye, coppers. I'm lagging. Either I'm lagging or my car's engine is out of commission. Oh, there is one. Ah, you're funny. Funny! You're a really funny guy. Mr. Copper, sir. And I like how there's a scale of felony and there's a felony in there. It's not like stars. Stars kind of makes sense. Like GTA. The series that must not be named when you're playing driver. But because GTA like killed driver. I think driver killed themselves really. He's still on my tail. I wonder what am I supposed to do here? I mean, can I just lose the tail? That's not gonna happen. Will it? Oh, yes I did. Yes sir! We did it! We did this! We're gonna make it, homie! Continue. Anyways, that's it for today. Have a good day. Yo, who set me up? Game's gonna freeze. Did he open a safe or something? I didn't get it. I didn't see what he did. But chances are this game isn't over. This level. Tanner and Slater. Oh my. Gotta chase him. Yes. Stop Slater. Slater, where he's the that's what I get for only playing this game once a year. Slater he's one of the bad dudes. He's really fast. That's not fair. How can he not take damage from the cars? I call this the Philadelphia Shuffle. Ah, trees. Stop making right turns. I don't like them. Imagine needing to make right turns. Okay, you stop making right turns. It doesn't mean to make left turns, buddy. Oh wow, I'm on a time limit. Why am I on a time limit? You lost your time. He's right there. He's literally down the street. Literally in front of me. Alright, this time I'm gonna burn out. Bring him to justice. Knock, knock. I see, you deceived me. You tricked me. I thought you were going left, right? Or I thought you were going straight, and you went left. I don't know if that was intentional or... Wow, that's pretty good. I'll take that. Now let's keep going. Let's keep moving, because I want to see what happens to Slater. Cutscene.
Shut your ass, Tanner.
Did you hear about Slater?
We think the cops got it. We saw what was left of his car. Looks like he chewed on too much speed.
Wasn't even a job. It don't add up. Mr. Castaldi don't want you working for no one else from now on. Only his contacts, understand? You can't trust no one here. Town's packed full of gangsters. Get your bags.
We got ourselves some work in L.A. We're gonna do our gangster there.
We're going to LA, baby! We're going to California now! Oh wow, so I arrested Slater. I get it now. I arrested the San Francisco, San Diego. Wow, all towns start looking the same. And that's it. Wow. That really is it for this year. A nice break. A nice little break. Because the other levels were very taxing on me. Emotionally, physically, mentally. But you know, it's nice that we got a pretty good amount of footage. I guess it'll be less edited since there's less footage, but it's going to be more concise. I mean, we got our driver levels, and I'll never touch this game again until next year, next August. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. How do I overwrite? Oh, I don't want to do that. It's Metal Gear Solid. Driver. Overwrite block. Yes. Anyways, guys, have a good day, good night, wherever you guys are. And I'll see you guys. Oh, no! Burrs? Burrs? No. My name is not Burrs. Can't believe that the hardest part about this game is writing my name. Alright, for reals now. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, good night, wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Let's accept that. And my name is Brian. Goodbye. Goodbye.